Welcome back to CSK Vlogs and hope you guys are doing good. And it's almost like 12 o'clock. My system is really very slow. I started doing a editing like last night 3 times. I finished editing 3 times and it's not getting saved. And system is getting heated a lot. And moreover, antivirus has also got expired. So let's go and see what he will recommend us to do. So let's see. I've reached this place. Half of my savings are going to this laptop and this camera, everything. There is no earnings also. I hope everything goes good after spending and struggling so much on YouTube. Let's see. I have to give time, but YouTube is not a right place to have a returns immediately. You have to give lot of time, dedication, motivation. Everything is important, then only it turns back to you. Let's see. Let's go inside and check. He's telling me to buy off this SSD so that speed will be fine. And if I'm looking out for graphical changes, then I have to replace the entire laptop. So right now I don't have so much of budget to replace the laptop, and if I replace also max to max another 2 or 3 months I'll be replacing a new laptop. But I don't know, I might go for the same brand or I might change the brand. Let me first install this Quick Heal antivirus, then let's see if things are going good. I'll give a continuation in the same laptop. If things are not going good, then I'm planning to change. What do you recommend me, sir? If I'm changing the laptop, which is the best laptop in HP right now?
You go for any model with graphics.
Any model with graphics. How much will it cost me?
Starts from 39,000.
39,000 rupees. Recently I invested on camera, so again if I want to invest on 39,000, let's see.
ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ
i3, ಓಕೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಇವಾಗ ಇರೋದೇ i3 ನೇ ಅಲ್ಲ?
8th generation i3 ನೀವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋ 3rd generation i3.
ಓಕೆ
ಇದು 8th generation i3 ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
ಓಕೆ
ಸೊ ಟರ್ನ್ ಆನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. 4GB RAM ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
ಓಕೆ
ಮತ್ತೆ 1TB ಹಾರ್ಡ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
1TB ಹಾರ್ಡ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್. ಓಕೆ
2GB NVIDIA ಗ್ರಾಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
ವಿಡಿಯೋ
ಇದು
ಗ್ರಾಫಿಕ್ಸ್.
ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ವರ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗ್ರಾಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ವರ್ಷನ್ಸ್. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಈಗ ಲೇಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಂದು ವಿತ್ SSD ಮಾಡಲ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಂದಿದೆ.
ವಿತ್ SSD ಮಾಡಲ್. ವಿತ್ SSD ಎಷ್ಟು? ವಿತೌಟ್
SSD ವಿತ್ ಗ್ರಾಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಿಮಗೆ Ryzen 5 ಇಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
5
Ryzen 5 AMD Ryzen 5 ಅಂತ.
ಓಕೆ
ಅದು ಬಂದು ನಿಮಗೆ 45,990 ಇಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
45,000. ಸೊ ಇದು
39,000.
okay, this is 39,000 and one more in this SSD 45. Okay,
45,990.
previous software is getting uninstalled. So here is a new antivirus. Let him start installing it. This is somewhere around 700 something change. We'll see the bill later. Let's see how does this works. I hope this is good. I asked him for Kaspersky, but he told Kaspersky is not available. Here is the CD. So after putting CD in CD drive, you'll get an option which will be popped up on screen, or else my computers or my PC or desktop, anything. After that you will get an option called install. So here it is, install, and it will ask you for whether has to be installed. Yes, I hope after installing this there won't be any kind of hanging issue in my system when I'm doing editing. Again, if it gets hang, then one more kharcha for me. I don't know what to do. The antivirus is getting installed. In the meanwhile, I'll go and have my breakfast come lunch, because it's almost 1 o'clock. Breakfast I didn't eat, however I have to have lunch come breakfast, so proper dietary food. This is ragi ball, South Indian famous, and this is sprouts and sambar. Breakfast is done and they were calling me for writing this personal details, which is asking in the system of this Quick Heal. Let's go and see. Here is the registration form. Let me fill this out. So finally it's done. Software is done. It costed me 700 rupees. I hope you people can see Quick Heal. So always whenever I'm installing this Kaspersky, last year, previous year, what I installed with Kaspersky or K7, that costed me somewhere around 500 rupees for 1 year. So Quick Heal is good, I felt this year when I saw the review and all. So I just thought of installing it. So finally installed. Now I have to wait and see how the system works. and he's telling me for SSD card. So I'll think about it because it is costing me somewhere around 5,000 rupees. And if I'm changing the system again, I have to invest like 35 to 40,000 rupees. I don't have any plans of changing the system. So finally, I reached house, and one more big kharcha was buying Filmora. That I'll buy it off now. That is costing me somewhere 3,380 rupees from many days that was pending. You might be having question that how from this many days how this guy was doing editing. Yes, I was doing editing in my friend's laptop, and I was doing editing in my phone itself, this Filmora app. So it's not working out good when I'm doing this 1080p and all. So finally there was a need for me to purchase this Filmora software. So I'm gonna be purchasing that, not purchased. And there is a lot of traffic jam because today is Saturday. I don't know when I'm gonna be uploading this vlog. Maybe next Thursday or Friday I'm gonna be uploading this vlog because there are 2 more vlogs that has to be uploaded. Still editing has not been done because of the system slow. So somehow I'll finish off one editing today and tomorrow one more. Every 2 days once I'm gonna be uploading a video. For right now, once this things and all get saturated, then maybe every alternate days I might start uploading the video. One more thing is, as today is Saturday, from today 8 o'clock to Monday 8 o'clock there is gonna be entire curfew in Bangalore. And rest of the days, as you people would be knowing, like evening 8 to morning 5 o'clock the curfew will be there. So traffic jam is like hell today. It took like almost 15 minutes for me to reach from Malleshwaram to my place. So let's see, hope for the best. Anyhow guys, be safe. This COVID, corona, whatever, it is spreading a lot. Try to be careful, drink hell lot of hot water, try to stay fit for some more months. I hope this entire 2020 this corona will be there with us. Let's see, hope for the best. Bye, take care, see you, and take care of yourself. Love you guys.